how to remove a SIM card from the Samsung Galaxy S26 or the S26 Plus or Ultra. Now, if you need to replace a SIM card because the old SIM card no longer works, or if you switch carrier, you need to remove the SIM card. To do so, simply get yourself a SIM ejector tool, and at the bottom here, there is the SIM tray. This is the SIM tray with a small hole right here at the bottom. So you want to put the SIM pin in and push it in. Once you push it in, it will eject out. So you can see it pops out. And from here, just simply pull out the SIM tray, turn it over, and let the SIM card out. There's also small holes at the bottom here. You can use the SIM pin to push it out if it got stuck. Then, if you have a new SIM, put a new SIM in, or you can insert the empty SIM tray back into your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.